This chocolate is so good. I really love sweet food. Look at my face. It is messy, but I don't care.
Tom, are you eating chocolate again?
Maybe just a little, Mom.
I should hide this fast. Mom cannot see it.
Go to the bathroom now. Brush your teeth.
Okay, I am going. But I am not happy. Oh, strawberry cake? That looks delicious. I will be very quiet. Just one small bite.
Melody slightly develops.
This cake tastes amazing.
Texture remains soft and
Tom, what are you doing?
I can explain. Oh no! I am in trouble now. I am going! I am rushing now!
lonely piano pads very calm.
Fine, I will brush. But I don't want to.
Gentle humming returns.
Brush, brush. Okay, that is enough. Wow, my teeth look very messy. Haha! I look funny when I brush. Wait, what is that? Something feels strange. My tooth! It fell out! This is my baby tooth. It is so small. Mom, come here. Look at this.
What is it, sweetie?
My tooth. It came out.
Oh, Tom, your baby tooth fell out.
Really? What should I do?
Put it under your pillow tonight.
Will the tooth fairy come?
Yes, she will bring you something special.
I will put it here under my pillow. I hope she brings me a big toy. Maybe a superhero. That would be so cool.
Good night, Tooth Fairy.
It is time to do my work tonight. I must be very quiet. Let me check under the pillow. Where is the tooth? Oh my, what is that smell? This tooth smells very bad. Oh dear, it is so dirty. I feel a little dizzy. I need to sit down for a moment.
My superhero? My big toy?
I cannot leave a gift for this tooth. I will leave a small note. Please clean your teeth, little boy.
Today is the day! My gift! Let me look under the pillow.
Only I'm passing like guitar.
There is nothing here.
Vocal humming.
This tooth is too dirty. No gift. Oh no.
What happened, Tom?
The fairy did not give me anything.
Let me see the note.
Piano. That's very calm.
You must clean your teeth very well.
Gentle humming returns.
I will try again. I promise. This time, I will do it right. This tooth is dirty. I must clean it.
Piano slowly fades out.
Toothbrush, help me now. I will wash the tooth slowly. Front teeth, back teeth, every tooth. I will brush longer this time. That feels much better. Let me smell, much cleaner. My teeth look shiny now. I will try again tonight. Please come back, Tooth Fairy.
I am back to check again. Let me look under the pillow. Oh, this tooth is clean. Very good job, Tom. I will leave a special gift. Keep brushing every day.
Good morning. Is there something under my pillow? I found it! A gift! Let me open it slowly. Toothpaste? Really?
What did you get, Tom?
I got a new toy! Thank you, Mom. I understand now.
I am proud of you.
I like brushing my teeth now. My teeth are shiny and clean.
Great job, Tom.
Well done, little boy.
I will brush again before bed. I will put my toothbrush here. Good night, Tooth Fairy.
Good night, Tom.
I will always brush my teeth.
Sweet dreams, my boy. Keep your teeth clean and bright.